All right, we're gonna have an RC car race the Jeep obstacle course. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. We got one down, man down. That one's still going. Oh, we're back in action. Catching up on the backside. Got a little NASCAR race going on here. Oh, we hit a tree. We hit a tire. Oh, and number 1's coming over Mount Flexmore, approaching the finish line. Does he have it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, done. Got it. We are doing a race on our Jeep obstacle course to see if you guys can make it. Whenever you guys are ready. Ready? Get set. Go. We got one stuck on the side, one that has no top.